Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove credit card on Doordash. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Doordash application, which of course I've done right here. Next, and I'm just going to show you quickly how to get Doordash. Okay, so how to get Doordash. Now you can use either Google Play Store or Apple Store. And another interesting thing is you can also get the web application on your system using any browser of your choice. So right here, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage. Now from this homepage, you can explore variety of features to have an exciting time on Doordash. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's tutorial, which is how to remove credit card right here in Doordash. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, top right specifically, you're going to find three amazing icons, which is which is your account icon, and then you're going to find the notification bell. You're definitely going to find the cart icon. So go ahead and click on your account icon, which is your profile icon. Now from this window, you're gonna find profile, Doordash rewards. You're gonna find MasterCard, get USD, payment methods, addresses, saved, notifications, video settings, gift card, refer friends. I'm listing up this one by one because if you do not find any of these options, it means you're not in the right window. But if you're able to find all of them, then you're definitely in the right window. So from this window, head over to payment methods, and it's going to take you to the payments window, which is here. Now here you have diverse categories. You have saved payments method, which is the first category. You have add payments method, you have program cards, you have Doordash credits. Now under the category of saved payments method, you're definitely going to find the credit card that you saved using the add payments method. So when you added your payment method using the credit card option, it's saved under the category of the saved payment method. So that's where it saves. Now on the saved payment method right here, you can only see Google Pay, which is pretty much automatic. Okay, so you're going to see the card under saved payment method. Now, if you want to delete the card, I do not have any card saved. That's why you're seeing only Google Pay. So if you want to delete your credit card or you just want to remove it, all you need to do is to swipe that card towards, just swipe left, right? Swipe left. Now once you swipe left, just swipe left until you see the delete button. So once you swipe left, you're definitely going to find the delete button, and once you find that, just go ahead and click on the delete button, and you see that that credit card is going to be off automatically, manually, because you did that yourself. But I'm just saying instantly, or instantly is the right word. So swipe left till you find the delete button, click on the delete button, and that card disappears. So that's pretty much the process. This is how you can remove a credit card or a debit card on Doordash. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.